Are you actually coming down from there? Oh man. Where are you at?
I'm like in the machine.
How did you do that? Oh, cool. It's like a little control panel over here. That's amazing. What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. A new adventure is beginning. I am heading up to Sudbury, meeting up with James, gonna actually stay up there for probably a few days. We're gonna do a whole bunch of exploring. We're gonna have a bunch of really cool places to visit up there. I am looking forward to this. I needed to get out of town. I needed to get away for a little bit just because everything is so stressful and also quite boring staying at home because we do still have these stay-at-home orders from the government, whatever. I don't know how to describe it. It just really sucks. I'm sick and tired of these lockdowns, to be honest with you guys. But other than that, I do still have another approximately 3-hour drive till I get up there. So yeah, smash the like button. Let's get this little adventure started. All right, sorry for the loud car. Oh, I see you, Subaru. I see you. There's literally another STI like pulling up next to me. Hi. 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 How's it going? Alright, anyway, so yeah, I just passed Barrie. It's beautiful out here. Quite a bit of snow. Not too much to see yet. I do expect to see some cool shit on this drive up there. Yeah, let's see what we find. Well, I'm about an hour away from Sudbury. Only problem is I'm stuck behind this damn truck. Speed up, man, come on! Please, I want to hurry up and get there. I have to pee. Oh, man. It's been a long drive, 3 hours all alone. I've literally been just kind of chilling here, watching YouTube videos. Well, not really watching, but listening and, you know, kind of just driving along. It's literally the only thing you can do on these long road trips, especially when you're by yourself. Almost there anyway, so see you soon, James. Look at all that rock. I know I'm like bouncing all over the place because this road is absolutely terrible. But this is a really cool sight to see. You don't see this too often where I'm from. In Brampton, it's pretty boring compared to this. But yeah, we're almost there. Half an hour to go, baby. Woo! As you guys can probably tell, I am literally freezing my butt off. We've actually made it into this huge sawmill. This is literally only the first building. I know I usually don't do a lot of like industrial type of explorers. But this place is really cool. I am with my buddy James. He's literally all the way down there setting up, taking some pictures. But yeah, we were going to get to exploring this place. Smash the like button and let's get the adventure started. Alright. So, first things first. This is an old sawmill, like I had mentioned. There is a little bit of vandalism, but majority of the stuff is actually still here, which is pretty cool. Probably bust out my other flashlight so you guys can see a little bit better. That definitely helps. This place is huge. It is so cold tonight. We are literally freezing our butts off in here. Oh, there's an old heater over here. Kind of wish it worked. Wow. This is amazing. I'm actually surprised they never took a lot of the equipment out of this place. Spectacular. Do not enter. Noise level reading. This is neat. Let's see, there is a lower level, which we'll probably get down there in a few minutes. But I did want to see this part here first. Check this out. Wow. As you can see, there's a lot of fog coming out of my mouth. Whew. That is just how cool it is right now. Let's take a look down here. I don't know if there's any haunted history behind this place. You never quite know. I'd be surprised how often industrial turns out to have some sort of paranormal. Oh wow, that's cool. Old hard hat. Oh, look at that thing. That's cool.
Cool, eh?
Yeah. Old chair. That's neat. How long has this place been abandoned, do you know? A few years?
With the prices of lumber right now, I think it'll start back up anytime.
Yeah?
I don't know what it is, man.
It's probably been some time though, that's for sure. Let's see if this area is open, which it's not. Oh yes it is. Holy crap, there's more. Wow. It goes so far back. I'm literally freezing my ass off tonight. My hands are already frozen and we're only a few minutes into this, but I'm going to muscle it out just for you guys. So, like I said, don't forget to smash that like button. I really need your help on this one tonight, guys. It is creepy, too. Oh, this is actually open. It goes all the way out to the back there. That's neat. Hopefully we don't run into any wild animals tonight. We are literally in the middle of nowhere, then that would suck. Let's go this way. Gotta watch my step as I go along as well. Oh, this is so cool. This place is massive. Oh, that door is locked, unfortunately. So what's funny is I had to literally come all the way to the other side just to be able to turn around so I can squeeze through here again, because with my backpack on it was impossible unless I go backwards. This is neat. Okay, so enough with up here. Gotta try and pick up my pace here because it is freezing. My hands are so frozen right now. I'm constantly doing that thing where you breathe into them just to warm them up. Oh man, gotta keep the blood flowing. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. I never thought I'd see underneath. This is so amazing. Wonder what's down this way. Wow, look at that. It's not often that you get to see an old sawmill like this, completely abandoned, relatively untouched, and good shape too. I mean, it'd be pretty hard to damage these things somehow. It's like a little maze under here. Wow. That is the end of the line. That's neat. Everything kind of comes down all these little chutes. That's awesome. Oh, look at this. It's like one of the old motors, I'm guessing. That's cool. Be careful, it's very icy. Don't want to slip. Don't know if there's anything actually back here. No, it just kind of goes to the back of one of the chutes. Oh, there is actually space over here. Wow. Just shimmy through here. There's an old wheelbarrow over here. This is so neat. So you guys probably remember I did go to the old Barber paper mill, which was haunted, and that place is just ruins compared to this. This is absolutely spectacular. Wow, also very creepy. So this machinery, I have absolutely no idea what this does. It's cool because I've never seen it before. If any of you guys have ever worked in a sawmill, please timestamp this. Let me know down in the comments below what these machines are specifically used for. But I like this. I don't think there is a way down from there. Where are you? Are you actually coming down from there? Oh man. Where are you at? So James is trying to find a way down here, but I don't think there really is one. Oh my god. Too funny. So I am heading up here now. Oh, that's a little freaky. I'm not really one for heights, so just bear with me. Just gotta move slowly. Where are you?
I'm trying to figure my life out over
Yeah, you're definitely on the wrong side that I was on, but whatever. Look at these. This is cool.
I'm like in the machine.
How did you do that?
I don't know, I'm like in something.
That's so funny. Yeah, there's definitely no way to pass there. You'd have to literally go through all the machinery just to be able to get to the spot I was at. But it's okay, this side's cool too. Wow. Gonna have to change my battery soon.
I'm in a hopper.
Huh?
I'm in a hopper right now. Where are you?
Over here.
Oh yeah, I'm like in something.
That's
Dude,
funny.
where am I gonna go?
I'll show you after, don't worry about it.
Okay, where are we going now?
I don't know. How the hell did you get over there?
I crawl under
Oh my god.
everything.
Let's put in some leg work into this one, eh? Shout out to James and his PBR can, leaving them everywhere. For those of you, every once in a while I'll go back to an old location that either James has been to or that we went to together, and you'll always find his cans left behind. That is him. He is a litter bug in abandoned places, but he won't do it anywhere else, just abandoned places. It's just a signature. So you never went down this way before?
No, I never went underneath.
Oh. Yeah, I'll show you where the stairs are.
Light there? Turn that back again.
Yeah, I've never done abandoned industrial like this. First really good one for
Fans
me.
hanging everywhere?
Huh?
See the fans hanging everywhere?
Yeah.
That's breaking so many OSHA rules.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Well, you should report them.
Well, I am a health and safety inspector.
Oh, cool. Wanna crawl down in there and take a look around? Oh, look at all these. That's crazy. Wow. There's a lot to this place. Holy shit, man. Jeez. Oh, I just realized that's like a little control panel. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Quite the drop down. There's a lot of like sawdust down there and stuff. Oh, cool. Oh, there's like a whole other side over there. Holy shit. This place is huge. Okay. Got another motor here. Which is pretty cool. Holy man. Amazing. Take a look at that view. Sorry for all the mouth fog there. It is absolutely freaking freezing, man. So we've been noticing that they have like these wheels, which I'm guessing they shoot the lumber through with. That's my best guess. Like I said, I don't really know much about sawmills or the process of doing it, so I wouldn't really know. But it is cool to look at, that's for sure. Holy, wonder what they do here. Wow. Very neat. Yeah, there's a lot to explore over here. It's actually really cool. So there are two ways that I can go. I don't know which way is which, really. One way looks like it goes underneath. This way looks like it goes to another section over there. Man, does this just go straight outside? Is that what's happening right now? Oh yeah, that just goes outside, it looks like. Oh, no. Oh yeah, it does go outside, actually. Oh, cool. It's like a little control panel over here. That's amazing. Just realized I wasn't recording, but these are... What is this? Left bandsaw position, adjust left right, guide compensation, unit metric imperial. I'm guessing this is like the emergency stop. This is awesome. Love this. Super neat. And it's so untouched too, which is beautiful. Oh, we're just going to close that. Try and keep as much heat in here as possible. I think it's like minus 15 degrees Celsius right now. For those of you that don't know what Celsius is or exactly how cold that is, let me tell you, it's cold. Oh, there's another little control room here. This stair is really shaky. That whole step was like, the whole thing is literally vibrating right now. That's so funny. Thought I was gonna collapse. Wow. So, we have another control room here. Whoa, that's awesome. I can clearly see that James has been in here before. That's hilarious. Starting to feel that cold in my feet. I'm trying to keep my toes moving. Don't want to get frostbite, that's for sure. Holy. I know I'm not really saying much right now, but just trying to give you guys a cool look at this place. Hope you guys are enjoying this. A little bit of a break from the usual, especially here in Canada. A lot of the times all you have is abandoned houses for the most part, so this is a little bit of a treat. Don't really know what the way around this is, so I'm just gonna hop right through. This is probably very much against code and regulation, but if the place was actually running. Got a room here. Well, these are neat. Holy crap. This area has been vandalized a little bit. I'm glad the rest of it's still in pretty good shape though. continuing on here, I got more machinery. Oh, vandals have gotten to this area, it looks like. Oh, cool. It's the old, like, workroom. Wow. There's so much stuff still here. Wow. Unbelievable. Even got, like, the covers for the exit signs. Oh, that's so funny. You know, if you were to put a little British flag here, you'd get Brexit. It's a little joke for my UK fans. Don't shoot me, okay? I think I'm funny. Got a garage here or something. Oh, it's very icy. There's another exit over here. Yeah, just another work area. There's still some stuff left here, though. Not much. It would actually be pretty cool to have a shot of all the stuff still here. But unfortunately, somebody decided to mess it all up. Another side of the office. I mean, sorry, not office. The workstation area over here. What the heck is this thing? Oh, I have no idea what that is. Cool spot though. Digging it. Another area over here. Got some old safety maps. Very nice. A little bit of vandalism. Nothing too crazy though. Oh, okay, so I'm on the other side. We came in from over there. Now we're on the complete opposite side here. There we go. Now I found the washroom. I knew this place couldn't be complete without a washroom. Gotta let the workers pee, right? Anything in here? Nope. Very cool. You know, honestly, I love exploring, but I really hate the cold. I would love to be in a nice tropical place right now, but unfortunately, our Prime Minister of Canada has decided that he's just going to ban, you know, airplanes going to nice, hot, warm places, and also make it very difficult to return to Canada. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to do any traveling to any other places anytime soon, which is unfortunate. I wish I could. I really want to go back to the US, but that's not going to happen anytime soon unless I come up with some weird secretive plan, or if you guys come up with some weird secretive plan to sneak me out of Canada. Got another little control room. This is what it looks like kind of from the outside. I don't know if you guys can see too much there, but let me turn this light up. It's cool, but it's cold. So I don't know how much longer we're actually going to stay. Alright guys, so I would love to continue, but unfortunately it is just way too cold. We got what we could get. We're going to head back to the car and get the hell out of here. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, turn notifications on. Feel free to check out the merch. There is a link to teespring.com. It is down in the description below. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.